Hello and welcome back to our Healthy Life channel, where we explore natural and effective ways to improve our health and well-being. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best 2 positions for cleaning your colon fast. Firstly, let's quickly discuss the importance of colon health. Our colon plays a crucial role in eliminating waste and toxins from our body. But sometimes, due to poor diet, lack of exercise, or certain medical conditions, the colon may not function optimally, leading to constipation, bloating, and even serious health problems. That's why it's essential to keep our colon clean and healthy. And one of the best ways to do that is through colon cleansing or detoxification. Now, when it comes to colon cleansing, the position you are in can make a big difference. You see, the colon is shaped like an upside-down U, and certain positions can help to straighten and elongate it, allowing waste and toxins to pass more easily. So, what is the best position for cleaning your colon fast? The answer is the squatting position. Yes, you heard it right. Squatting is the most natural and effective way to empty your colon quickly and efficiently. In this position, your knees are raised, and your thighs are pressed against your abdomen, which creates a straighter path for waste to exit your body. Now, I know squatting may not be a comfortable or feasible position for some people, especially those with mobility issues. But don't worry, there are alternative positions you can try, such as Number 1. Lying on your left side and pulling your knees towards your chest. Lying on your left side and pulling your knees towards your chest is another effective position for cleaning your colon. In this position, you lie on your left side with your legs straight, and then pull your knees towards your chest, so that your thighs are perpendicular to your torso. This position allows gravity to help move waste and toxins through the colon, and also applies gentle pressure to the abdomen, which can stimulate bowel movements. Here are the steps to follow for lying on your left side and pulling your knees towards your chest. 1. Lie down on your left side on a flat surface such as a yoga mat or bed. 2. Bring your knees up towards your chest and hold them with your hands. 3. Gently press your knees towards your abdomen, so that your thighs are perpendicular to your torso. 4. Hold this position for a few minutes and take deep breaths. 5. Release your legs and lie flat on your left side for a few more minutes to allow the waste to pass through your colon. 6. Repeat this position as necessary until you feel that your colon is completely emptied. Number 2. Sitting on a low stool or chair with your feet raised on a footrest. Sitting on a low stool or chair with your feet raised on a footrest is another position that can help to facilitate bowel movements and promote colon cleansing. This position is particularly useful for people who find it difficult to squat or lie down on their left side due to physical limitations. Here are the steps to follow for sitting on a low stool or chair with your feet raised on a footrest. 1. Find a low stool or chair that allows you to sit with your knees higher than your hips. 2. Place your feet on a footrest or stool that is at least 6 inches high. You can also use a stack of books or a yoga block as a footrest. 3. Sit upright with your back straight and your feet comfortably resting on the footrest. 4. Take deep breaths and relax your abdominal muscles. 5. Gently rock back and forth on the stool or chair, which can help to stimulate bowel movements. 6. Continue sitting in this position for a few minutes or until you feel a bowel movement coming on. To sum up, the best position for cleaning your colon fast is the squatting position, followed by lying on your left side and sitting on a low stool. These positions can help to improve your colon health, reduce constipation and bloating, and promote overall well-being. So, next time you feel like your colon needs a good cleanse, give these positions a try and see how they work for you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching Healthy Life.